Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel. In this video we are going to see that how can we deal with a problem if you are getting the error message while opening the Excel file that the file format is not supported or file extension error. So there are two ways through which you can solve this problem. The common requirement in both the ways is that you must know the location where your Excel file is located. So suppose this is my location, the desktop where my Excel file is located. This is the book 1 Excel file that is throwing an error. So how do we work with it? What you need to do is just right click over here, go to properties option. Make sure you are in the general tab. Here you have to check a few things. The first thing is that you might want to make sure that opens with is selected with Excel, and not only the Excel but the latest version of Excel that is installed onto your computer. The second thing is that you might want to check that the type of the file is Excel worksheet or any kind of an Excel file with the extension .xlsx or something like that. If these two things are okay, then you might want to go and check in the security tab. In the security tab, you want to make sure that the system is allowed the full control. If it is not allowed the full control, then what you can do is add something more. You can just go to this advanced tab and you can here check if the full control is given to these users. So system administrator and the user is given the full control. Okay, so if the full control is not given, you can add more control. Or what you can do is go to this edit option and here we can add one more user. So let's just select on this add option. So let's just add one more user, that is the everyone user. So here what you can do is just click on this find now and scroll down until you see this everyone. Just select this everyone, click on OK and then click on OK once again. So this everyone is now selected. Make sure you are allowing full control to this everyone. Click on apply, click on OK. Now you can see this everyone is also present as a username. Again, you can just go to this advanced tab to make sure that the everyone has an access to full control. Furthermore, you can just select this, go to edit and make sure all these options are checked over here and the type is allow. Then click on OK. Again click on OK and again click on OK. Now if you just double click on your Excel, then this worksheet will open. There will be no errors. So that's how you solve this error. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.